Geneva, Switzerland. I'm on my way to my tour. It's like a boat tour that's about an hour, and I just got here and the room isn't ready until 3, so I figured why not make good use of my time. The tour starts in about an hour, but yeah, I just got here. It was relatively easy to get from the airport to then get the train, and if you actually stay in the city at a hotel, like your hotel should be sending you a voucher that you can use for transportation for free the entire time. So I didn't have to pay for like transport or anything. I'm back. I'm at the bus stop, and here I'm just going to wait until this bus comes here, but it's been so far pretty self-explanatory with getting around. Alrighty, so now we're off the bus and I'm heading to that water tour, and then this is like the park. It looks like this is where like a lot of buses are, but so far I literally didn't have to scan anything or show a barcode. It just kind of went through, so good to know. But this is how it looks. Guys, so I ended up going to McDonald's. I got McDonald's meal for like $16, and of course you guys know why I like going there. There's always a guaranteed bathroom, so if you've been traveling all day and you just can't get access to a bathroom, McDonald's always has bathrooms, even if they put the code at the bottom of the receipt. At least you'll have that as an option rather than like going outside of a cafe. Maybe there's only one bathroom, or maybe there's a minimum spend or something like that. So anyway, I just made it to our tour. Switzerland is absolutely beautiful. I don't know what part of the downtown area this is, but this is, I'm assuming, like the port area, but there's a bunch of shops. The McDonald's is like literally a 5-minute walk directly from there. So right here is where the port is. I've noticed that when you book a lot of tours, they don't always specify like where it's located. They just kind of give you a meeting point. So I am quite sure that's what it is, but I'm excited. It's a 50-minute scenic tour, so let's see. Beautiful views. So the boat tour just ended, and then here it's like a beautiful view of the water. And now I'm heading to finally check into my hotel, well, hostel, since it's 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna check that out, and then I think I have a list of things that I want to do. So I want to try fondue, also like go to some places over there. Like there's like I guess Switzerland is known for like their chocolate and stuff as well too. So have a few things I want to do, so I'm gonna get changed to my hotel. So, but overall, the tour was definitely worth it. Bathrooms and showers. Not bad. Oh, you guys know it wouldn't be an adventure without something malfunctioning or happening. Well, my suitcase decided to die on me, and you guys know Switzerland's expensive. I just got this one and I paid $60. I'm gonna leave the information because that literally saved my day. I was so stressed and worried about the cost of getting new luggage. Now I'm heading back to the hotel to drop this off, get ready for dinner, and get the day started. It's like 5 o'clock, but yeah, I can't wait to get that. It was much needed, so I like the color. Guys, so I just got off the bus. Now this place I was able to get a reservation for last minute because I wanted to try fondue, which is something that's a staple in Swiss culture, and everything else requires a reservation, and some of those places were booked like literally a month in advance. So don't do like I did and like be last minute, actually do research. But I did find a place that actually has good reviews and has like quality sorry, quality fondue. So we're gonna see what it's all about or whatever together. But the bus ride only took like 30 minutes and it's really fast. You guys know everything in Switzerland is expensive anyway, and I don't mind catching the bus because, I mean, who cares? I'm all about saving some coins, money. So yeah, this is the place right here, and then this is like the outskirts of it, the area. Oh yeah, I'm excited. This is my first time. Hi guys, so I just got back from the fondue place. It was actually really good, and now I'm just at like the waterfront here, just like enjoying the breeze and just relaxing. I may just get some ice cream from the place across the street here, but other than that, the fondue is really good. I think it came up to $29 for one person, which is a pretty good deal. So anyways, I'm gonna get some ice cream, walk around, and yeah, maybe I'll go to that fair and see like what's going on over there. Hey guys, so this is a Ferris wheel and then some shops and I think food stands. Hi guys, so I am packing, getting ready to leave for Mykonos. So yeah, it was really hot here. The AC is basically non-existent, so you know me, I always have a portable fan. So yeah, I'm excited for Mykonos. Geneva was a lot of fun, but yeah, this concludes Geneva.